iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to be Apple's boldest leap in years. And if the latest leaks and reports, including those highlighted by Mac rumors, hold true, this lineup could redefine what a Pro iPhone feels like. Expected to launch next year, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are rumored to combine cutting-edge design decisions with serious performance gains, smarter connectivity, and camera tech that pushes low light and depth control to new heights. Here's everything you need to know about the iPhone 18 Pro rumors, features, specs, and design changes, and why they matter. Let's start with the design and display. Apple is expected to keep the familiar overall silhouette while refining the details. The iPhone 18 Pro may stick with a 6.3-inch display, while the iPhone 18 Pro Max is tipped to feature a 6.9-inch panel. That extra screen real estate should feel even more immersive this year thanks to one of the biggest rumored changes, under-display Face ID. By moving the Face ID system beneath the screen, Apple could free up more usable display area and reduce visible cutouts, resulting in a cleaner, more edge-to-edge aesthetic. The front-facing camera itself is rumored to shift to the top left corner, a strategic placement that helps maintain symmetry and maximize viewing space for video, gaming, and reading. On the back, Apple is expected to retain the distinctive plateau camera housing with 3 lenses. The visual language stays familiar, but the capabilities may not. At least one rear camera is rumored to gain a variable aperture, a feature that could dramatically improve low-light performance while giving users finer depth of field control. Think brighter, cleaner night shots, and more natural background blur in portraits, all without over-processing. If Apple pairs this with computational improvements and a smarter image pipeline, the iPhone 18 Pro camera system could deliver more consistent results across conditions, from bright daylight to dim interiors. Powering all of this is the chip everyone will be watching, the A20 Pro. Built using TSMC's advanced 2nm process, the A20 Pro is rumored to bring a step change in both performance and efficiency. Smaller transistors typically mean faster speeds, lower power draw, and better thermal behavior. Combined with a new packaging technology, expect higher bandwidth between components, improved sustained performance for tasks like 4K video capture and editing, and stronger on-device AI for things like real-time photo enhancement, voice features, and smarter automation. For everyday users, that should translate into snappier responsiveness, cooler operation under load, and more battery life per charge. Apple may also simplify how you interact with the cameras. The dedicated camera control button introduced to give creators quicker access could be streamlined by removing swipe gestures in favor of a more direct, cleaner interaction. Fewer accidental inputs, faster access to key modes, and a more intuitive feel could make capturing the shot you want that much easier. Durability and charging may get an upgrade too. Changes to the rear ceramic shield are rumored, with a more frosted glass finish under consideration. Beyond the premium look and extra grip, a refined finish could improve MagSafe performance by enhancing alignment and potentially thermal characteristics during high-wattage wireless charging. Over time, that could mean more consistent charging, speeds, and a more reliable snap-on experience for accessories. Connectivity is another area where Apple appears ready to flex more in-house muscle. The iPhone 18 Pro lineup is rumored to rely on Apple's own C1, X, or C2 modem for 5G and LTE. If true, tighter modem integration could boost power efficiency, stabilize speeds in congested areas, and reduce latency for streaming, gaming, and video calls. On the wireless front, an Apple-designed N1 chip or newer iteration is set to support Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread. Wi-Fi 7 promises multi-gigabit speeds, lower latency, and better performance in crowded networks. Bluetooth 6 could deliver stronger reliability for audio devices and wearables. And Thread support keeps the iPhone 18 Pro ready for the next generation of smart home devices, enabling fast, low-power, secure connections. Perhaps the most surprising rumor is satellite-based web browsing. Apple already offers satellite features for emergencies, but expanding that capability to limited web access could be transformative for travelers, hikers, and anyone who needs basic connectivity beyond cellular coverage. Even if speeds are modest, the ability to send messages, pull critical information, or access essential web pages when you're off the grid would be a meaningful upgrade to real-world USABILITY. As for style, Apple is reportedly exploring new iPhone 18 Pro colors with burgundy, brown, and purple under consideration. Expect a sophisticated palette that complements the Pro aesthetic muted, rich tones that look premium without shouting for attention. And if you're eyeing the larger model, note that the iPhone 18 Pro Max may be slightly thicker than its predecessor. The upside? That extra depth could accommodate a larger battery, improving endurance for heavy users who shoot video, game on the go, or rely on 5G and Wi-Fi 7 for work. Put it all together and the iPhone 18 Pro story looks like this: a cleaner, more expansive display experience thanks to under-display Face ID and a relocated selfie camera, serious camera gains driven by variable aperture and computational enhancements, a next-gen A20 Pro chip on a 2nm process that targets speed, efficiency, and AI, simplified camera controls for creators and casual shooters alike, sturdier materials, and a refined finish that could elevate MagSafe, deeper in-house radio tech for better 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread. The potential of satellite web browsing beyond emergencies, and fresh color options that keep the lineup feeling new, all while maintaining the familiar 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch sizes that many users already love. If Apple delivers even a portion of these rumored iPhone 18 Pro features, this generation could mark a pivotal shift in how we interact with our phones. Less friction, more power, and smarter connectivity everywhere you go. With launch expected next year, keep an eye on how these leaks evolve. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are shaping up to be the models to watch for anyone who cares about performance, photography, battery life, and future-proof wireless standards.